Hi guys, today I want to introduce you to this very beautiful piece of wall decor. It's a wall clock. The brand is Decor Quartz from India. As you can see, it has very bold numbering that make it ideal for both small and large spaces. It can be used in religious places, offices, in homes, in schools. It's a good gift to a loved one, for a housewarming, for a wedding, basically for any occasion. A clock is always a good gift and it is ideal for both gender. This clock can also be branded. You can have your photo on it. You can have a cartoon, your child's favorite cartoon for their bedroom. You can have a logo of a company. You can have words on it. If you're giving it out for a birthday, for a wedding, in church, you can have even a Bible verse. This is a clock that we brand with any details of your choice. We can even do a combination of a photo and some words. We can do even up to 6 photos on it. The clock comes in a Recon gift box and it has a battery already attached to it. It has an original Recon battery. I will show you the back side so that you get to see what exactly I'm talking about. That is how the back side looks like. It has a cover, so once you open the cover, the battery is attached. That's the original Recon Quartz battery. Kindly contact us and place your order. And remember, as I said, we also do branding of your choice. Welcome.